Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you again.
Man.
Appreciate it. How low was that frequency-wise?
That was 18 to
18,
19,
man. You love it down low.
You know it.
All right, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I'm probably getting out of here in like an hour or so. Yeah, I thought I'd come by, stop by, say, hey, dude, give me a demo. Yeah, man, I got you. I got you.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, dude?
Oh. Dang, somebody kicked in your speaker.
Of course.
A few times, I'm sure.
Yeah, actually, that was my 8-year-old kid, man. She gets in the car going, watch out for the speaker.
So, your name's Hayden Price.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what was in here, man.
All right, I got 4 American-based HD 15s. They're recalled by Directronics. Got 2 MD 12Ks. A little bit too much for them, but
Oh, wow. But you can baby them because you know your limits, I guess.
Yeah, man. I got 175 amp hours of Ying Long right there behind you. I got I got a 4K for the mids and highs.
Nice.
Same door speaker, got 2 8s. We call it Cadence 8s, the Pro Series, and then other freaking speakers.
It's all good. Nice. So is this holding your doors together?
It's actually holding the B-filler in because it's split.
Really? Oh,
yeah,
man.
It's pretty split pretty bad.
Dang.
From all the years I've been playing all those lows. So.
Yeah, all them lows.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
All right. Hey, you remember Jodeci? You never heard of Jodeci, the R&B singers?
Probably, I've heard it, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Living well, watch the chrome finger real well. Check out the skin. Name rhyming. The queen killer. It's like flash. $1,000 so money.
Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you
Anytime,
again.
man.
Appreciate it. How
Same to
low
you.
was that frequency-wise?
That was 18 to 19,
18,
man.
man. You love it down low.
You know it.
All right, man. I like that rhyme.
Yes, sir.
Arrive by me, use a car, living well. Watch the chrome spin, gorilla. Check out the $1 lady. She hit the niggas with baby girl sliding the next part. Your skin. Your name next, last name Diamond, icy hair. Patient crazy rhyming. Queen killer. I'ma feel you like that. Who would you? It's like puzzles. Posted at fun. Sweat dripping. Fly shit. With some niggas robbing. $1,000 on your shit. Money. Drinking. Sweat dripping on the fly shit. Rolling with some niggas from
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.